Alright guys, good day or good afternoon wherever you are. So I have a new job here, but I thought I would bring you along. Where I am, it is raining, but as a business owner you have to do what you have to do, and it is really a blessing to be able to have that freedom to choose whenever you want to work, even when it is raining. As long as it's your thing, you're happy to do it. So it is raining where I am, but I'm glad and I'm happy that I'm able to do this job. So I'm going to take you around to see the job I'm doing. So I'm just going to start setting up this, but this is the job. As you may see, it's a driveway, and it seems to not have been cleaned for some time. You see a lot of weeds, a lot of moss there, and this is what we're going to do today. I'll take you around this whole driveway. It's raining, but at least I'm suited up to work under rain. As you may see, all these weeds, as you can see all these weeds, we're going to pressure wash all of them, and we'll bring back this driveway out slash patio back to brand new, as you may see. So I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to take some pictures of the before and after, that you may see the results of the work we do, and after that we'll get started. So enjoy the video and come along with me. Thank you. So I'm going to connect that hose to an outside pipe. I'm going to connect this hose, as you may see, all the way to the van. So let's look for the pipe, and so I'm getting some more hose from there, right? And I think this is the pipe here, and this is the pipe. There we go. And then I'm going to turn on the water. Then we're going to go to the tank to see that water is going in nice and well. Right. Go back to the tank and see that water is flowing in. Just fix this first here. Time is going to come that I will have a reel for this type of hose. As you may see, the water is going in that tank. That's my buffer tank in there. So once it is full, I'll start the job. In the meantime, I'll also unreel this. This is the high pressure hose. That's how I do it. It's raining, but I take pride in doing the job. So we're going to take it all the way. You have to have a game plan, right? I'm going to show you my game plan of doing this job today. But let me first pull this all the way. You may see. Pull this all the way. Alright, my game plan is this. The way this driveway is designed, kind of, if I could use the word design, it is slanting going that side. So I'll rather start from this side, pressure wash, going out there, because the water will be sliding, because it's kind of sloppy. It is sloping, like it's slanting, if I could say slanting or sloping, and the water can easily go into the trenches over that side than starting from that side, coming this side, because there's nothing that will hold the water, or there's nowhere water will run this side. So it is rather to start from this side and as I strip going that side. So I'll show you how I do the job. Of course, right now I'm just getting water, as you all saw the water. I came here. This is a customer's pipe. Here where we are, we don't pay for water, as in, you can use the customer's water. But you don't have to pay for it, because pretty much it is kind of free, right? So I'm getting water in the tank, and once the tank is full, then yes, I will start pressure washing, because the thing is, the machine that I use, it puts out a lot of water. The water output is very high, so you need to have water in the tank. I don't know if you're able to see right now the water is around there. That's the bottom of the tank. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to do that. That's the bottom of the tank, and that's where the water is right now, but it has to go all the way, and it has a device that stops the water from flowing. Hi there. So getting that water going, and then later on start pressure washing. So just to show you, I've just finished this job. You can see the job after.